I wanted to do a longer, more in-depth video on this project and why I like it so much. So each apartment comes with a 3-year full maintenance warranty with an option of prolonging it into the future for a reasonable fee. The building has its own concierge, and this is pretty handy if you're looking for a last-minute reservation. There's a dedicated 24-hour concierge service that'll take care of everything. It also has valet parking. So jump out of your car and you can your valet will park it for you. A real hotel-like experience and something that is a real luxury in Dubai. Now, there are a ton of facilities, so I'm just gonna go through a few of them. There are 7 parks locally, including the rooftop garden, a gym for the ladies and gents, sports areas, yoga zones, indoor and outdoor children's playgrounds, office spaces, lounges and barbecue zones, a library and a restaurant, a spa and beauty studios, and a 26-meter infinity pool with catering services. So where exactly is it? Well, it's only a 2-minute walk to Discovery Gardens metro station, 8 minutes to JBR Beach and Dubai Marina, and only 10 minutes to the Palm Jumeirah, 18 minutes to Dubai Mall and the Burj Khalifa, and 10 minutes to Expo City, 20 minutes to Al Maktoum Airport. So it's in a fantastic location and very much part of the future of Dubai South. Now, the building is an 11-story tower, and I think it is beautifully designed. You can really see the classic Italian influences here. Okay, numbers. So for Trussardi Tower 2, I'm told you can buy a studio here for 800,000, and they come with a 2-year post-handover payment plan. Initial down payment is 10%, so 80,000. A second payment of another 80,000, 10%. Third payment, 10%, 80,000 dirhams. Then 14 payments of 2% each, which is 224,000 dirhams. So, and then you've got a final payment on handover of 6%, which is 48,000 dirhams. So your total amount up until handover is 512,000 dirhams. So that will buy you a studio apartment. You're buying a branded residence with all the above facilities for just over 500,000 dirhams. And if it's rented out, your tenant will pay, I would say, between 150 and 165,000 dirhams towards the total cost over 2 years. So being the 2-year post-handover payment plan. So I think there's a real opportunity here to buy an incredible branded building with great rental potential. It's definitely something that I can see tenants loving. So if you want to find out more and explore this further, get in touch with me. I believe this is going to be launched next week. So the studios and one beds will definitely get snapped up. So if you are interested in one of these, I would suggest we get talking right away.